Watch me tell Claude to build a complete N8N workflow that connects Typeform submissions to Google Sheets with Slack notifications, and it will spit out the entire workflow JSON file. So just with a normal message, it will start creating the JSON where you can just copy and paste it right into N8N. No dragging nodes, no writing expressions, no debugging, just working automation. So there you go. Now this is completely done. So once it's done, we just copy it. You can go to a blank workflow and then paste it. And then you get your whole complete done for you workflow right over here. It shows you the scenario overview. It shows you the notification logic and everything basically on how it works, right? So all you have to do is once it's done, you will have to come here and configure all of this. Not configure, just add your credentials. So once you add your credentials, you're good to go. Sometimes what this does is it makes small errors, which you will want to fix it after pasting it into N8N. What's up? I'm Abdurrahman and I build AI-powered automation systems using N8N, Claude, and Superbase. And if you're tired spending hours building workflows from scratch, this video will change how you approach automations forever. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Claude to generate complete N8N workflow files, and I'm giving you all the project instructions for completely free. By the end of this video, you will never manually build basic workflows again. Here's the thing, N8N is incredibly powerful, but it's also time consuming. Every workflow means dragging nodes, configuring each and every single one of them, writing expression, testing connections, debugging errors. I was spending 2 to 3 hours on workflows that should take 20 minutes. Then I realized Claude understands JSON structure. It knows N8N nodes and it can write complex configurations. Why aren't I using it? So I created a comprehensive set of project instructions that teach Claude exactly how to build N8N workflows. It knows every node type, how to structure connections, how to handle authentication, error handling, everything. Now I just describe what I want in plain English and Claude generates the complete workflow JSON. I import it into N8N, maybe just a few credentials, and it works. Let me show you this in action. I'm going to build a workflow that basically creates tweets and post it onto X automatically. I just have to trigger it and it'll go and post it how many ever times I want it to. Okay, so basically what I've done is I have added a normal basic instructions here, just in plain English telling what type of a workflow I want. And now it's going to generate me the JSON for me to just copy and paste it onto N8N. It's doing research on as to what the latest things are. So all of these, it does only based on the project instructions I've given. So all of these, as you can see, it's going based on the instructions I've given. All of these instructions are there down in the description below. You can just download it and add it. So as you can see, it's going through all the examples we have given it and all of these in the project instructions. And now it's going to create it for us. So it has gone and done research and told that some people find it, while authenticating it, that there are errors. So it gives us the disclaimers and it tells us what works and what, might be a problem for us while adding the authentication. And then it will go on to create the actual JSON for us. So it has done creating it and it tells us how it works, important setup notes and everything. Right, so let's just go ahead here, copy this, and let's go and create a new workflow and paste it. Yes. So as you can see, there are few errors. So what this does is it's a really good starting point, for whatever you want to build. So you wouldn't have to build this from scratch. Yeah, so this is a really good starting point. So I would say, like, as you can see here, there are few errors here it has done, right? We'll have to go and clean those up. Okay, so now we have somewhat cleaned it up and they are also showing us certain things here. So now say for an example, you want this to actually work, but you don't know how to, you don't know what exactly to do after this to make it fully functional. So here's exactly what we're going to do, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this workflow, go back to our Claude and paste in that screenshot and ask it, what exactly is wrong with this. I want you to read this workflow and tell me exactly what's going on with this and what I should do to make sure that this is completely correct. Leave the authentication out of it. Other than the authentication, what should I do to make sure that this is fully, completely done and a fully functional workflow? So there you go. We send a normal message asking, for it to just check out and tell us what's going on. So it'll check. Also, this Claude is connected to my N8N using the MCP. So whenever it wants, it can just go and read the actual workflow. So like I said, it has the MCP. So it is reading all the files live, and it is telling us exactly what the issues are. Updating the workflow, which I don't want it to, but it is. Let's see how it will do it. We'll add another video showing exactly how to set up this MCP using Claude. So that way, it can just keep on reading your live N8N workflow and give you instructions and, basically teach you how to set everything up properly, or it can also do it for you. So here we go. So once the first time it was incorrect, and since it was connected to the MCP, it went ahead and just fixed everything for us. And that way I just have to go ahead now and fit the credentials and just check and see what else is wrong with the workflow and fix that as well. Because like I said, this is a good foundation for you to start and build your actual workflow. You will need to obviously have a little bit of knowledge on how to set everything up and whatnot. But this is like a really good foundation for you to get started. So there you have it. You just have to go ahead and, put all your credentials here, and then you're good to go. So you can download all the Claude project instructions. There's a link in the description down below where you can go and download everything you want. Just go and edit, and it'll just, you're good to go. Okay, so that's about it for showing you how it works. So here's what I'm giving you completely free. The complete project instructions I use to teach Claude N8N workflow generation. This is the exact system I showed you today. Link is in the description. You'll get the full instruction set, example prompts, and a bonus guide on advanced workflow patterns. It normally takes people months to figure out. I'm handing it to you because I want to see you build with it. If this saved you hours of manual workflow building, hit the subscribe button. I share automation systems like this every week. Real tools, real workflows, no fluff. Drop a comment and tell me what workflow you're going to build first. It really helps the channel. I read every comment and I'll help you optimize it. Grab those free project instructions and start building. I'll see you in the next video.